Peaceful and quiet dead-end cul-de-sac location makes this home very desirable, along with the open light and bright floor plan. This home has vaulted ceilings and cozy gas fireplace. 2 living spaces, primary bedroom with bay window, ensuite, and walk-in closet. Kitchen has pantry and instant hot water. Also has air conditioning and 20 solar panels that keep the electric bill very low. Fully wrapped wood windows. Lovely mature landscaping on just shy 1/4 acre. Large Trex deck with partial mountain view, electric awning over deck for shade, has garden space and 12 by 20 shed with loft space for storage. The workbench in garage stays and home is wired with a Gentran system. There is also a neighborhood park and playground. If you have any other questions, please give us a call.